How to make money online daily without fail. This is a beginner's guide. Are you new to the online space and wondering how people make money from their phones or laptops? Maybe you've seen friends earning online or heard stories of people who work from home. The good news is you can make money online every day, even as a complete beginner. And no, it is not magic or a scam. In this video, I will show you simple beginner-friendly ways to earn money online daily, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. Number one way is to offer small skills on Fiverr or WhatsApp. Do you know how to type fast? Do you know how to design with Canva? Do you know how to write short messages? Do you know how to remove photo backgrounds? Then you can make money with that. And all these things I've listed, you can Google them and see how you can do them. There are special features for free that can help you to do them. So you go to fiverr.com or promote your services to friends and WhatsApp groups. You can charge 2,000 Naira to 10,000 Naira for tasks like creating birthday flyers, typing or editing assignments, social media post designs. Then you start small. As you get better, you earn more, and it is daily. Number two way is by affiliate marketing. You can start affiliate marketing even without a website. Affiliate marketing is recommending a product and earning commission. You can sign up on Xpartner, Binance Affiliate, Share a Sale, Impact.com, and many more. You get your unique link, share it in WhatsApp groups, Facebook or Instagram. Earn a percentage each time someone buys or signs up through you. You don't need to be an expert. Just recommend something useful and be honest. And what you're going to get is going to surprise you. People will be trooping in to buy from you. I started affiliate marketing last 6 months ago, and then I put my affiliate link somewhere on Quora and many other places. I was surprised when I checked. I saw I have made sales and some dollars were sitting waiting for me to take them out, and I did. Number three way you can make money even as a complete beginner and online is to create and sell simple digital products. Have you ever explained something well to a friend, like a recipe, business tip, or how to use an app? You can turn that knowledge into a simple ebook or voice note, course, and sell it. Use Canva for designing. Use seller.co to sell online. Promote it via WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. Even a 2,000 Naira product sold 5 times daily is going to give you 10,000 Naira per day, and it works while you sleep. Number 4 way is to join legit airdrops carefully. My wife introduced me to crypto airdrops, and at first it was fun. Later, we learned the right way to do it. Don't join every airdrop. Instead, choose well-known projects, e.g. Starknet, Blast, Skis, ZigSync, and many more. Follow their Telegram channel, that's X channel, Telegram or X channel. Complete simple tasks like testnets or quizzes, or you mine daily, or as the case may be. Then you earn real tokens in the future. Then don't pay anyone for anything. Also, use a safe wallet for it. Even if the value seems small, it adds up when it is done the right way. Number 5 way to make money online, even as a beginner, is to sell a product through WhatsApp or Facebook. Do you cook, sew, bake, or sell anything useful? Even if you are not online savvy, you can take orders through WhatsApp, share pictures or videos, deliver locally, collect payment before or on delivery. Start small. A bowl of soup, small chops, perfume, thrift clothes, anything useful sells if people trust you. Number 6 is to do simple online tasks for pay. There are sites that pay you for small tasks like watching videos, reviewing websites, writing comments, answering surveys. Examples are Swagbox, Clickworker, Sprott Gigs, remote tasks. No special skills are needed, just time, data, and patience. You can earn $1 to $5 per day, but that's something daily to build on. Number 7 is combine 2 or 3 streams. The real secret is not just one big job, but 2 or 3 simple things you do daily. Post a product, share affiliate links, design flyers, complete micro tasks, join a useful airdrop, chat with a client. That's how online earners build income. Small streams that add up. Don't expect millions in a week. Start with what you can do now. Keep learning free skills on YouTube. Be honest with people because trust matters. Then don't give up on anything you're doing too soon. Yes, you can earn online daily, even as a beginner. You don't need to be a tech expert or own a laptop. If you have a phone, you have data, and you have time, you can start today. Choose 1 or 2 simple methods from these lists. Be consistent for the next 30 days. Watch your confidence and cash flow grow. So, do you want more beginner tips to grow daily online income? Follow this page. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join my free WhatsApp class. Let us succeed together. Dr. Olugbengade YouTube channel is the name of my YouTube channel. Please keep coming back for more, and I am going to see you in the next one. Please subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. This next video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to go ahead and watch now. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.